It would seem a terrible time to increase investment in a new bank targeting consumers. The global Wall Street movement is calling the banking industry predatory and downright greedy. So why would a bank increase its lending to consumers in this day and age? For more on this, we turn to the Chief Operating Officer of Team Bank, easyCredit, Dr. Christiane Decker. Dr. Decker, you've positioned yourself as a fair banking lending organization to consumers. What does this really mean?
This means no account fee, no sales fee, longer right to withdrawal of up to 30 days. Our customers can make special repayments anytime, and of course they can always terminate their contracts. And this is what we call a responsible lending. Our product offering is something that helps them or that protects them from over-indebtedness and gives them flexibility to their life, and that's something they value very, very much.
How has the current financial crisis affected your business model?
easyCredit has not been, fortunately, affected directly by the latest crisis due to our sustainable and responsible business model. And together with our partners from the cooperative sector, we even have gained strengths due to our value-driven, very solid and reliable business model. However, in the near future, we have to find decent answers on the tightening regulatory efforts we are facing all over the market. Basel III, EMA risk, and also European and German regulations which we have to adopt in the near future.
You've succeeded in increasing your profits last year about 24%, despite the weakness of the overall banking industry. And you also believe that this year that you're confident that you'll grow faster than the industry itself. What gives you this confidence?
We are seeing continuously more demand for fair advice and products. And furthermore, what our customers value is the flexibility we give them with our products as their life might change due to illness, due to marriage, due to so many possibilities in life. And a fair product combined with excellent advice is something which has proven to be the right receipt to the needs of our customers, and also is something our partners, the cooperative banks, value very much. And on the other side, we stick to our promise when it comes to rigorous execution. And our cooperation partners can count on that concerning their earnings, so the provisions we pay to them. And furthermore, we continuously invest into our USPs. That means risk management, product development, and our processes to stay just simply a step ahead.
You also mentioned this year that you wanted to try to persuade the 3.8 million customers of Volksbank and Raiffeisenbank, the cooperatives in Germany, to stay with the bank and not look elsewhere for other credit opportunities. How do you expect to get them away from those banks?
Yes, the overall consumer loan market is quite competitive, but indeed we see a potential of up to 3.8 million customers within the network of cooperative banks in Germany who have their main banking relationship with the Volksbank or Raiffeisenbank, but bought a consumer loan with another institution. And we have set up a package of measures to convince those customers to return to the network before losing them totally to our competitors. And first of all, a fair product together with the excellent advice. is a very strong argument. Second, we have developed our easyCredit card, which gives our customers the opportunity to have a credit at hand whenever needed. And third, we have just recently redesigned our advice and credit decision process, so to make it even more focused on customers' needs and to focus really on the financial situation of our customers, to make the product even better, to find the best solution for our customers.
How has the criteria changed in lending credit cards?
Over the last years, we have been monitoring the market for credit cards quite closely. And back in 2009, we decided to launch a new and innovative credit card, our easyCredit card. And this credit card does not offer a revolving facility. In contrast, it's a combination of a classical charge card and an installment loan. This installment loan is activated once the spendings of our customer exceeds a special predefined limit. And once the installment loan has been activated, the limit will be reduced by this very amount. And this helps to protect our customers against over-indebtedness. And this is something we call customer-oriented and fair. And this is also something our partners from the cooperative network value very, very high. And the numbers are proving us right. We have issued by October this year already 31,000 cards.
easyCredit so far just loans primarily to consumers. Do you have any strategy or any interest in targeting, say, corporations or organizations?
No, that's something we stick to the private customers, and this is something we know. Here we feel at home. We are very, very focused. We have a very narrow business model, and therefore we decided this year again to stay in this segment.
easyCredit has already expanded into Austria. Do you have other plans to expand elsewhere in Europe besides just Austria?
For the time being, we are very focused on our partners within the network of cooperative banks and the German consumer loan market. Are we monitoring international markets and developments? Most certainly we are. And going to Austria as a first step was a clear cut. Same language, same currency, and the structures of the cooperative sectors are not so much different from those in Germany. But it was not all plain sailing. You have to pay attention to the details. And all those details have to be integrated into the value chain. You have to be excellent in all processes. And as the consumer loan provider, having the best risk management system in place is dividing the wheat from the chaff at the end of the day.
You have a very relaxed business atmosphere at easyCredit and at Team Bank. Would you explain that a little?
Yes, we are, let's say, a strange animal in the banking industry in Germany. Yes, we have this Dutzkultur, which we introduced when we became Team Bank. And being a team and reflecting on sports, we said it might help to shorten communication, to make communications easier, to have less hurdles when it comes to decisions, to the decision-making process. And we want to act really as a team, and that's something we can really demonstrate day by day. It's "Hallo Christiane, wie geht es dir?" And it's very easy communication. with everybody in the company. They know they can address me anytime, and if they have a problem, they just walk in and we will solve the problem. Within the companies, they just love it because it's not so complicated, and we love to have fun and we love to laugh, and sure enough, banking business is a serious business, but you can have fun at the same time, and that's something we allow. And it works very well. We are very successful, and people love to come here, to work here, because of this atmosphere, because of our cooperative culture.
Christiane Decker, thank you for joining us on INSEAD Knowledge.